Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 5. So you have a diagram here which is labeled as Figure 1. Now, the diagram in Figure 1 above depicts A. Simple bar chart, B. Complex bar chart, C. Components bar chart, D. Multiple bar chart. Now, the first thing we know from this information and from the options given to us is that it is a kind of bar chart, and the bar chart is basically a statistical tool that represents data in rectangular bars. Now, the data given to you determines what kind of bar chart you use. Now, there are three kinds of bar charts. You have the simple bar charts, you have the components bar chart, and the multiple bar chart. Now, the simple bar chart is used when you have just one variable to represent. Let's say a variable like number or age or population, just one variable to represent in the chart. Then the components bar chart is used when you have two variables to represent. So you could have, let's say, things like number of males and females, or just two variables to represent. Then the third one, which is multiple bar chart, is when you have three or more variables to represent. So you draw multiple bars for the corresponding parts of whatever you want to represent. Now, from this diagram that we have here, we have just two variables represented, and this is a components bar chart. So the bars of a components bar chart look like this, okay, with two portions, one portion representing one variable and the other portion representing another variable. So as we have established, what we have here is a components bar chart, and components bar chart is option C, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.